Hello dear all students, welcome again English grammar class 5. Now in English grammar section, today we are going to learn our third chapter, kinds of sentences. In the first chapter, we learn the definition of sentence. Let's see one more time what is meant by sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. In this chapter, we learn about the kinds of sentences. There are four kinds of sentences. Let's see. There are four kinds of sentences. First one, A. Assertive sentence. Second one, B. Imperative sentence. Third one, C. Interrogative sentence. And fourth one, D. Exclamatory sentence. These are the four kinds of sentences. A. Assertive sentence. B. Imperative sentence. C. Interrogative sentence. And D. Exclamatory sentence. Okay. Now in this chapter we understood about the kinds of sentences. Let's see the first kind of sentence, assertive sentence. Let's see the definition of assertive sentence. An assertive or declarative sentence makes a statement or declare something. See, in assertive sentence is also known as declarative sentence. It means it makes a statement or declare something about. It's declare or given the statements, that means assertive sentence. Let's see some example of assertive sentence. For example, first, the sun rises by 7 in summer. It means in this sentence, the statement is there, declare that in the summer season, the sun rises 7 a.m. in the morning. It means the sentence declaration is shown, that is the assertive sentence. One more example, I wake up by 8 every day. It means she or he declares that in the morning he or she wake up at 8 a.m. It means if the sentence show that there is statement or declaration something, that is the assertive sentence. One more thing you have to remember, that the assertive sentence always end with the full stop. Okay. See, now second kind of sentence is imperative sentence. Let's see the definition. An imperative sentence expresses a command or request. If in sentence we show that there is command or any kind of request, so we come to know that sentence is the imperative sentence. Okay, any kind of command or request, that means the imperative sentence. Let's see some examples. First, do not touch the painting. If you are looking the painting, that someone give you command or someone instruct you that you have do not touch the painting. It means the command show in that sentence, that is the imperative sentence. Second one, please close the door. The sentence shows that there is request. So If request is shown in the particular sentence, that is the imperative sentence. And always remember that imperative sentence also end with the full stop. But we understood that assertive sentence and imperative sentence, because in imperative sentence there is the command or request. So when command or request shown in the sentence, that is the imperative sentence. Okay. Now let's see the third kind of sentence, interrogative sentence. See the definition. An interrogative sentence asks a question. It is very easy to find out from the given sentence which is the interrogative sentence. That is, in interrogative sentence there is the question. So we easily understood the interrogative sentence. Let's find some examples. For example, first, who was the winner? See, this is the question. So we easily find out the interrogative sentence from the given sentence. One more example. When will the circus show begin? See, one more question is there. Where, when, whom, whose, all these WH questions, it will means the sentence start with the question. So that is the interrogative sentence. And always remember that interrogative sentence end with the question mark. That is, we have to find that this is the interrogative sentence. Okay, always remember that the interrogative sentence end with the question mark. Now last kind of sentence, fourth one, exclamatory sentence. See the definition. An exclamatory sentence expresses a sudden strong feelings. It means in the exclamatory sentence we suddenly express our feelings, our emotions, our thoughts. That is the exclamatory sentence. Suddenly feelings throughout expressed by the sentence, that is the exclamatory sentence. See some examples. For example, how beautiful is the rain? We suddenly express when we saw the raining outside. So that time we suddenly express that how beautiful is the rain. So that is, we suddenly express our feelings. Wow, what a beautiful rose. So that is the which kind of sentence? This is the exclamatory sentence. See one more example. How well she dances. It means we appreciate her dance. So we suddenly express how well she dances. So that is the suddenly expression, suddenly feeling, suddenly emotion when we express throughout the sentence. That is the exclamatory sentence. Okay. Now today we understood the four kind of sentences. I hope do you understood the four kind of sentences. Okay. Now let's see in the next lecture. Thank you. Enjoy your day.